Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're going to show you a 15 Chevy Impala LTZ come out of Phoenix, Arizona. It does got a typical black car, a few rock chips on the hood. I just can't stop that on a 100,000 mile car. Got the black wheels, good looking car. Leather being LTZ, little wear on the driver's seat there. 100,559, and for a 100,000 mile car, it's just an excellent shape. Bows, memory seats, a lot of options. Nice clean in the back there. Body's in pretty good shape. No man, there's probably the worst scratch on the whole car right there. Little ding right there, a couple little dings, but for, like I said, for a 100,000 mile car, got a great shine to it and looks good. A little ding up on the hood. I try to show you everything, so when you come here, you know exactly what you're getting. We sell classic cars too, so we do a lot of videos. So we want to make sure you're getting exactly what you want to buy. And then we back them up. 12-month, 12,000 mile comprehensive warranty. Nobody else does that on a 100,000 mile car. Drivetrain, suspension, steering, fuel, AC, electrical. So great coverage, good looking car, Southern rust-free car. 605-692-7010.